Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring Chrome itself isn't the problem. Open Settings and go to About Chrome to install updates. Outdated builds can hide UI elements. Once updated, navigate to Appearance and check that the address bar or new tab search options aren't disabled. Also look at extensions briefly and disable any UI or theme extensions because they can remove the search bar. Close Chrome fully and reopen to commit changes. This fast check prevents wasting time on deeper fixes. Once done with updates, dig into experimental settings and profiles. Type Chrome //flags and search for Omnibox, toolbar, or new tab-related flags. Experimental flags can toggle the search bar off. Reset any non-default flags back to default and restart Chrome when it asks. Next, inspect your profile by opening Chrome // version to ensure you're using the correct profile and no startup switches are forcing a minimal UI. These steps fix most feature flag or profile-caused disappearances. Finish by isolating profile and installation issues. Create a new Chrome profile and check for the search bar there. If visible, your original profile is corrupted and you can selectively copy bookmarks and settings. If a fresh profile fails, uninstall and reinstall Chrome, but export bookmarks and passwords first. Make sure to test in incognito or the new profile before reinstalling, because that single test will tell you whether extensions or themes caused the problem and save time during recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.